today is really exciting because we're going to get tape-ins. Okay, so I've been hearing all about tape-in extensions, y'all. If you are anywhere in the internet streets, then the girls have been eating up tape-in extensions. So I'm working with Better Length on today's video. So thank you so much to Better Length for sponsoring today's video. We are getting tape-ins. This is just my natural hair, really dirty because I just got back from the beach like yesterday. And I'm getting tape-in extensions. I'm trying a new hairstylist, but she was recommended to me by my natural hairstylist. So I trust her. She's also in the same salon. So first thing, I need to get some food because y'all, this is a long process. But she already has the tape-in extensions. I will pop in a clip of the unboxing. I did it like outside because I forgot I had to give her the tape-ins because she dyes them, washes them, and all the things. I didn't need to get these dyed, y'all, because y'all already know Better Length clip-ins match my hair perfectly in their bundles. So now we're trying their tape-ins, all the same texture. I will leave the details on the screen here and in the description box. But let me stop talking so I'm not late to my appointment because I need to get some food first. But play the clip and I'll see y'all at the salon. All right, y'all, so here's a quick unboxing of the hair. So the hairstylist that I went to, I'll leave her information down below, but she required me to bring the hair in and do like a quick little kind of hair consultation prior to installing to make sure that my hair was healthy enough and that the clip-ins were something that she'd be able to use. And she said they were amazing. They were really nice. Better Length provided me with 2 bundles, which came with 40 pieces. And we didn't end up using all the bundles, but we'll talk more about that toward the end. They also provided me with some extra tape because you can reuse the tape-ins, and then a pamphlet and things like that. But like I said, my hairstylist, she was very impressed with the tape-ins, and I love the texture of it, that kinky coarse. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Because it's cute. All right, y'all, got my Chick-fil-A. Oh, let me get y'all the sign. Hold on. They're doing construction, but Sage Salon. Okay. Let's go in here. See what it's giving. So cute. Okay, period.
I didn't think this is a lot of hair.
It is? Okay.
Yeah, so I didn't think that you needed and
all
then
that.
You can get the difference too. So I guess you came at it like a good time.
So this is the
Can
blow
you
dry.
see good? Do you need to turn the ring light?
Oh, that's good. So to the left, those pieces. This is the last blow dry piece that you have in your hand. Ooh, that looks so good. All the way to the ends. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, girl. Hey, right across the way. Period.
So it straightens pretty good.
There are certain ways, like when I wash it myself, as far as like the tapes, because I've never had tape-ins. Is there a certain like shampoo, conditioner?
Yeah, just make sure it's sulfate free.
Okay, sulfate free.
You don't want to shampoo it at least 48 hours before or after your install because you want the tape to kind of cure together.
Okay, perfect.
And that's about it.
Yay. All right, y'all. Try the before.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Every time we kiss, can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Period. Ooh, who is that? Oh my God. I've been waiting for today.
Okay, we here now, girl. We
I
here.
swear. It's very much giving scalp. Very much.
Yeah.
Dang, it's so flat. I guess duh. That's remarkable. I mean, it's flatter than clipping.
I'm gonna spray it with a little holding spray for your flyaways, right? You know, before we get there. Look around. You can see what's up.
Here. Oh my God! What? Stop. Oh my God.
All right, so let's do
But
the
do I wanna cut-
ponytail.
yeah.
Let's do the ponytail. So
It's
you can see.
very much giving scalp. Y'all, if y'all don't try this new growth serum, ladies be like,
What's up? What's up?
Wow.
Let's
it's just like the videos I was watching. It was just like this. This is what the girls was doing.
This is what they did.
This is what the girls
This is what they
was
did in Atlanta. We
doing.
just
The
got- we
girls
just
was
got it in
doing. Oh, I'm about to be fooling it.
I need some framing.
Yeah, maybe I should do that. Yeah,
Sure.
because this is my hair.
Yeah, I always pretty much do some framing.
Wow, this looks so good.
It does. It looks amazing.
It does. You did that, period.
Thank you.
Where? Y'all. I'm gonna leave all the information down below, so don't say I never did nothing for y'all. Hey y'all, jumping in here while she is giving my hair a nice trim. My hair, the tape-ins a trim, so that they can frame my face to make the style complete, because I decided to not put curls or anything in the hair and just wear it straight for a while. But don't worry, make sure you guys are subscribed, because I will be doing a follow-up on how I've been styling the hair. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already have seen it. But also, I recently washed the hair, and I will talk about that process and all of that, because you can wash your hair with the tape-ins in. You pretty much can do anything with them as if it was your hair. The only thing that my stylist recommended is that I did not use any shampoo with sulfate in it, because the alcohol and oils within that type of ingredient can loosen up the tape-ins. But we're gonna get more into that in another video. So the specs of the hair I will leave down below, but they provided me with 2 bundles. Each bundle has 40 pieces. We did not use all of the bundles. We used like a bundle and like not even a half of the other one. Then I have it in 20 inches. It's the kinky coarse texture. I will be leaving a coupon code down below, and I'll pop it up on the screen so you guys can check that out as well. So far, so good. I really loved the initial install. If y'all can't tell, it very much was giving sleek. There were a few things I do want to highlight that just you should consider when you are getting tape-ins. One, you can see my hair a little bit in the back. I don't know if that's just I should have cut the hair a little bit shorter, which I do intend on, you know, kind of cutting it and things like that, but not with the initial install, with the first set that I'm using it, because you can reuse the tape-ins. They provided me with extra tapes, so I'm able to take these out. Once I go back to my stylist, I'm gonna have her take it out, y'all. I ain't playing with no hair damage. Again, I've had no problem so far, but I ain't trying to figure it out, okay? And then you can reinstall them as long as you keep up with the hair, which y'all know I've had better length clip-ins. It's the same texture, and I've had it for years. Also, as you can see, you can easily put the hair up in a ponytail and a bun, all the things, but you can see the ends of my hair. Like I said, in the back as well as like in the, basically the perimeter of my head, you can somewhat see some of those shorter pieces peeking out. I've been wearing it wand curled lately and you really can't tell, but I did want to add that in there because I know some people might be like, girl, we see your ends. Oh, girl, okay, hi. Maybe my hair is just layered, okay? Maybe it's layered. But yeah, so I really, really love the tape ends. Highly recommend. It looks so flat compared to clip-ins, sew-ins. I've never tried micro needling or micro links. I haven't tried micro links yet. But I mean, this has been the flattest extension install that I've ever had. So just wanted to throw this little tidbit in there, but stay tuned for some follow-up videos. Oh, cute. Oh, yes. That's how the girls have been doing it.
Yes.
And then they put a little size up.
Yes.
Oh, weak. Like, oh my god, my hair's just so long. These little pieces just wouldn't fit in. Oh my gosh. Period.
Yes.
Oh, okay, hold on, wait. I'm sorry. What was that?
What you said?
What was that? I'm sorry, what? Oh,
I
period.
can't hear you. My hair too long.
What? Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, wow. Okay. It's so cute. My little pieces, y'all know.
I know what they like.
Y'all know how, y'all know when the little flyaways or whatever, but I mean,